There's police again. There is something going on down here though. They up here. According to some mom, I know she likes to see it. Gotta go back. They must have had something happen.
What, over there?
No, down below us. Damn.
Oh, big one.
You hear that for damn miles. What's that?
That's the ambulance going. What's up, man?
Where?
What's in front of the house?
What are they doing? Oh, I think it took a wrong way is what it did.
Yeah. It is. Ooh, so pretty.
What the hell's going on around here? There's a police in front of them too.
I know that. There's a fire truck in front of them.
Is it this house or?
No, they come down that back road and they turn up that road.
Feel bad for them. Oh my god, I hate heights. There we go. Here we go.